Yes, students, today I have defined some other examples of calculus of finite differences. Yes, and according to the example 6, find the earlier video I have defined you the some examples also. Yes, example number 6, find the function whose first difference is e to the power x. Yes, the solution is we know that, yes, we know that, yes, delta e to the power x, e, this is equal to, according to definition, e to the power x plus h minus e to the power x, which is equal to e to the power x and also e to the power s. So this can be written as e to the power h minus 1. Here the you find in this question the function and whose first difference is e to the power x is given in it. Yes, where h is the interval of where, yes, where h is the interval of differencing. Okay, yes. So this is given e to the power x is equal to 1 by e to the power h. Yes, e to the power h from this, okay, e to the power h minus 1 and delta of e to the power x. Yes, from this it is, you can evaluate this one, and this can be written as delta of e to the power x divided by e to the power h minus 1. Okay, hence, yes, hence the required function, hence the required function f of x is e to the power, yes, e to the power x and divided by e to the power h minus 1. Yes, clear? Here you have to find the function whose first difference is given. These types of the calculation you can solve so many questions. Yes. Now the next question is you solve example 7. Yes. Show that u naught, yes, show that u naught minus u1 plus u2, yes, plus up to so on is equal to 1 by 2 u naught minus 1 by 4 delta u naught plus 1 by 8 delta square u naught minus 1 by 16 delta cube u naught, now so on. Yes, now how you solve this question? Yes, solution of this question, yes, we take the LHS, LHS and ITHS, so we take the, here is LHS, okay, and here is LHS is u naught, yes, minus u1 plus u2, yes, minus u3, like that, okay, yes, and this can be written as, this can also be written as u naught, yes, minus of e u naught plus e square u naught minus e cube u naught and so on, yes, plus so on, as you know that e u naught is equal to un. Okay, so this can be written as 1 minus e, yes, plus e square minus e cube operated by u naught. Yes, and this is the series. Yes, and this is the series of 1 by 1 minus and minus of e. Yes, minus of e like that. Okay, and operated by u naught. Yes, and so this is also equal to 1 by 1 plus e. Yes, clear? This operated by u naught. Yes, and but you have to find the result is this one. So this can also be written as 1 in the form of the delta. Yes, you solve this question is in the form of the delta. So this can be written as 1 by 1 plus e can be written as 1 plus delta. Okay, you know, u naught, this one. Yes, this is again is equal to, yes, this can be written as, this can be written as 1 by 2 plus delta. Yes, 2 plus delta. Okay, and operated by u naught. Yes, and this is again can be written as 1 by 2, and this is 1 plus delta by 2 to the power minus half u naught. Now the expression is by the binomial. Yes, if you express it, then this is 1 minus delta by 2 plus delta square by 4 minus delta cube by 8. Yes, up to so on, operated by u naught. Now next operating this one, here is u naught by 2. Yes, minus 1 by, here is 2 multiplied there, so 4 delta u naught. Yes, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 1 plus 1 by, here is minus of this one, 1 by 4 minus of this plus, this is become minus, so this is become, operating this one is this, so delta square 1 u naught and minus of this plus delta square of, yes, this is 1 by 8 delta square of u naught. Yes, minus 1 by 18. Yes, minus 1 by 16 delta cube u naught. Yes, and this is the RHS. Okay, this is the RHS. Okay, these types you can solve the so many series of this one. Yes, thank you.